In the fast-paced urban jungle, Sarah found a sanctuary amidst the serene woods, embarking on daily walks to combat her overwhelming anxiety. As she stepped into the lush forest, each inhale filled her lungs with fresh air, while the gentle rustle of leaves became a balm for her frantic mind. Her routine nature walks soon revealed a noticeable shift in her mental state, providing a sense of peace and clarity that she struggled to attain elsewhere. Research supports Sarah's experience, showing that exposure to natural environments can significantly reduce stress and improve overall mental health. Inspired by her transformation, she began organizing community nature hikes, sharing the healing power of the outdoors with others, fostering connections and enhancing collective well-being.